Hey guys, let's talk about the very end of the semester here. Disclosure, my toddler is sitting on the floor right next to me, and he may make some noise. He may talk or drop something or squeal. Yeah, come here. So I'm trying to get him to be... Yeah, I know, come here. Okay, so let's talk about what you guys did. So you guys turned in the annotated bibliography on Tuesday, and the ones I've looked at so far are good, and I think that that's going to be a quick and easy grade. So my goal is to get those graded tonight, and then you did this post yesterday, so I'm going to get those evaluated tonight also. And then today you have the rough draft of Essay 3 due. What I did is what I did for one of the other assignments, which was to I'm going to give an extension to let people get the responses done tomorrow. It just made sense since I'd already extended the final due date to Sunday that and you don't actually have anything due tomorrow. And since generally with the 11:59 deadline, people tend to submit their essays late at night. Sorry for all this noise with the baby here. Okay, so that's what's going on. Then my goal is tomorrow, which is Friday, to respond to all of your rough drafts, and so that you'll have Saturday and as much of Sunday as you need to update them. Okay? All right. You guys have done really well. I was emailing another student about how there's just really no there's no margin in these 5-week courses. You know, if something comes up, there's nothing you can really do about it. You just kind of have to plow through. So you guys have been really gritty and made it work, and I'm proud of you, and I'm not really surprised because this seemed like a group of strivers. All right, so email me if you have questions, and I look forward to looking at all your work. You say bye-bye. Bye. Okay. You give him a smile. Okay.